Good morning, Ballinger Creek families. Mrs. Stein here, and I am happy to be with you today to talk a little bit about our February transition as we change schedules and look ahead to hybrid. But before we talk more about where we're going, just a minute to take a peek back at how we got here. In December and January, all families were sent an intention form. On that form, families were asked to select whether they would like to choose to send their child to school for the second semester virtual or hybrid. On those surveys, parents had the opportunity to share how their child will come to school and if they were in need of a device. Any intentions forms that we did not receive, we followed up with our One Call Now text system, staff phone calls, and emails. So we were able to gather our entire community's intentions and be able to plan accordingly. Once we knew what our families desired for their children for the second quarter, we were able to begin planning what our school staffing would look like. Because we are using two separate learning models for students in second semester, we needed to assign some teachers to full virtual classrooms to adhere to those intentions, and some teachers to hybrid classrooms to adhere to the families who wish to send their children to school. Because of this, some children will be moving classes just because their teacher may be assigned to a learning model in which their family had different intentions. We were very cautious and careful when we went through these assignments, and we were sure to move pockets of kids. So therefore, while your child may receive a new teacher for the start of second semester when we change schedules on February 16th, they should have many familiar peers in their classrooms. Related to this change, next week all students will have the opportunity to participate in a lesson with our school counselor, Ms. Hunt, talking a little bit more about adjustment and change through this time. She'll cover mask wearing and lots of different things in a developmentally appropriate conversation with our students. All teachers will be welcoming their new students next week and reaching out to families via email and perhaps some special mail for you. And lastly, we will be having a welcome back wave on Friday, February 12th from 3:30 until 4. So we provide our students with the excitement that we are feeling and an opportunity to wave and share a greeting with their former teachers perhaps, and maybe even a glimpse into their future teachers. We are thrilled about this change, and we are working hard behind the scenes to ensure that we have all of our safety measures and everything in place so that we can safely reopen schools for all of our students. Learning has been happening since the beginning of the school year, and we couldn't have done that without our hardworking Ballinger Creek staff and without your partnership. So we ask once again, as we embark on this change, that you continue to partner with us and that we move through on February 16th with these new schedules together, all of us. There's lots of more information held in the body of this newsletter. Please read carefully and attend to some of those details, and we sure hope we'll see you on February 12th for our Welcome Back Wave. Take care, Ballinger Creek. We will continue to work through this. All of us.